People don't buy from you for free shipping. Matter of fact, they would probably pay you triple to order that outfit and have it shipped overnight. I said another video you can do is you can literally have her getting ready for a job interview and she's trying all these clothes on and she feels awful and miserable and she's pulling them because they don't fit her well and she's getting frustrated and she's even wiping the tears because she's got a job interview and she don't like the way the clothes fit her. And then she grabs this outfit and she puts it on and it flows so good on her body and it feels good and she puts it on and man, she feels good. She walks into that job interview and she slays it. And not only does she get the job, she makes more money than she thought she would make. You know how many people are going to buy that dress? I'm telling you guys, whatever you sell, you got to craft a message like that. It's for everything. You know, me, I help mamas never take a calculator to the grocery store. I've been saying this to you since 2022. I even had a gal send me a video of her driving over the calculator. Her husband shot the video and they sent it to me. They go, thank you. Not only mashed it with my car because now I'm making daily pay. That was how impactful that message was. I get to help dads get to quit one of those jobs and get an extra 20 hours a week with his family. You guys realize we are undefeated against time. Time wins every time. You can never get that time back. So I love helping families realize they can get their time back. You know, one of my favorite things was when we were in Hawaii. I tried to stick to my morning schedule. So I would get up like at between 3:30. The latest I ever slept was 4:30. Usually 3:30 or 4 every day. Because if you look at that, 4 is 9 my time. And so I could get all my income earning activities done and all of my income earning activities done in my 2 hours a day. And then all of my community and all of my other things for launching my own program. I could get everything done by 11 a.m. every day. I had the rest of the morning, the afternoon, the evening to hang out in Hawaii. And we did the craziest, the funnest, most amazing memories that we will be talking about in 50 years. And so anyway, I love the time zone. I'm like, I think I need to move to a different time zone because I can get up earlier and get so much done and have more playtime. Anyway, that's how my brain thinks, right? But I love that because that's what I get to help people do, get their time back. So if you are trying to sell something and you are struggling, I guarantee you're selling the airplane, not the destination. When you schedule a trip, you don't go on that trip because of the airplane you're taking. You go on it because of the destination, that's in crafting your message. The money's made in your message. The money is made in your message, and then the money is made in your consistency in marketing. And then to be able to craft a $1 million message and being consistent with your marketing, you got to have the right mindset because you will quit with the wrong mindset. The limiting beliefs, the doubts will creep in and you'll walk away if you don't have the right mindset. You will. It's huge. Mindset is everything. Yeah, mindset is everything. I don't know where to place ads, copy and paste. Well, if you are inside my community, I actually give you over 200 ads. It's inside the program. It's inside the program. Okay. Okay. So I get sales for my freebies. What do you mean you get sales for your freebies? How do you get sales if it's free? I'm just curious. I get sales for my freebies. I have over 1,000 clicks, but ain't got any for my product advice. Well, how are you getting sales for your freebie then? I'm confused by that comment. Help me out and I will probably give you, I can probably help you out. Let me see. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I'm just reading. I've gotten spoiled to this business. I don't want to market out my job anymore. Yeah. And here's the cool part because I got started today. Awesome. Welcome. And that's normal. Scared and excited at the same time. That's with everything, right? Like when you started falling in love, I'm sure you were scared and excited at the same time. And it wasn't easy. You had to work on making that relationship work, right? It's no different than anything. It baffles me when I see parents or moms get impatient. I'm like, holy crap, you held a child and grew a child in your tummy for 9 months and you knew how worth it was. Like, What if you, like, I gave myself 12 months on this business. I was like, I will master these skills. If you go from making money to mastering, you will make more money than you ever thought possible. You will shock yourself. There's never one time in my journey that I said, I need a customer. But there's every single day I said, I need to get better. I need to get better with my message. I need to get better with understanding who my perfect customer is. I need to get better with solving the problems. Let me help you with that right now. Okay. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, right? We're going to go over exactly how to do that. Okay, and right here. So people buy from you because they got a problem that they need solved. How do you bridge the gap and how do you get them happy? How do you get them here? So what I did when I started, you guys, I wrote down 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wrote down 6 things, and I'll tell you why 6. I'm telling you guys, this is how you create that $1 million message, okay? You love the Y word. Hey, I missed using my board. And you know, it's so fun because here's something that we did in Hawaii that I got to tell I loved. We never went to any place that was available on the mainland, right? So I can never find a board. I can never find a board. So I just use my handy dandy iPad. So we never went, and we ate at the coolest places. Like, oh my gosh, it was so amazing. It was so amazing. Anyway, so what I want you to do when you do this, okay, I want you to put the problem up here, okay, and the solution down here. So what problems do your perfect customers have? Okay, hence, what problems did you have that you were facing that gave you the solution? Okay, what problem solutions? So now for me, let me just go for, I'm just going to share with you what it was for me. Time. Time was slipping away, and I was dealing with regret. I was dealing with regret. I was dealing with pressure. My son was going to be going off for college. I didn't know how many scholarships he was going to get. I didn't know if he was going to get a full ride. I didn't know. I didn't know if he was going to go out of state. And one thing I did know is I never wanted to miss one of his races because he's a runner. And I knew he was going to be going all over the world. And so I was scared. Like literally, I was like, I got to figure this out. So time. So the solution was the 2-hour workday. Okay. The next one was money. Like I said, he was going off to college. Didn't know what I was going to do. And this was September. He was a senior. So I was like, I got to figure this out. I refused to be one of those moms that said, I don't have any money to get you there, because I've been a divorced mom for 16 months and I've never seen a dime from their dad. So the pressure was real. And if you've been a single mom and you know what I'm talking about, how you got all that pressure on you. Anyway, so money. So I was intrigued with 300 daily pay. I was like, holy crap, 300 a day. That's 109,000 a year. I want to learn that. That would change everything. That would be the game changer. Okay. I wanted to learn that. And then the other part was no tech. I was always scared to look at digital marketing because I had seen people do other digital marketing processes and they had to start from scratch. And they had to build a website. They had to learn pixels. They had to learn coding. I was like, I would rather pull my fingernails off than learn that stuff. And so what I was excited about is the company creates website. Company website. Does a website for us. So no tech. That was awesome. So small percent. I was sick and tired of working my face off for a network marketing company for me to put 25% in my pocket and put 75% in theirs. Because that's why I was working hard. That's why I was on that hamster wheel, right? When I found out you can make 100% profit, I was like, let's go. Now I will share with you guys, that's the only question I asked, by the way. I said, how do we make 100% profit? How does the company make money? You guys, they make the money because they create our website for us. Now, not everything has gone up in price, by the way, because when I launched my business, the website was $59 for the company to create. Now it's only $29. Woohoo! You guys get it cheaper now. How cool is that? And so I love that. And that put 100% in my pocket. Can I just talk to you about that? Let me just pause a minute, because you guys got to see this, because I wish somebody would have shoved this in my face years ago. So my number one selling product is $900. So if you make 100% profit, that's $900 in your pocket. Now, I struggled with network marketing. It could be the same as affiliate marketing. You make on average 25%. That means you're putting $225 in your pocket. If you want to make $900 a day, you got to do 4 times the work. I've learned how to master a 2-hour workday. So if you learned how to master a 2-hour workday and you can get 1 customer in 2 hours a day, you got to work 8 hours to make $900 if you're an affiliate marketer or network marketer. I only got to work 2. That was freedom. That was the time leverage that I always looked for. I didn't understand. I think this is the most brilliant business plan I've ever seen in my entire life. Everybody, no matter what you do, should be promoting a digital program or service in high demand, not a course. Nobody needs another course that they're never going to complete. You need to be promoting an interactive program that can impact people's lives. So anyway, this fired me up. Like, holy moly, did that fire me up? Okay, so 100% profit. Bothering friends and family. Bothering friends and family. I did not want to have to build a business bothering people. I didn't want to have to get on the phone. I didn't want to have to DM. I didn't want to have to send friend requests and be, hey, and start these awkward conversations. I didn't want to, because again, trading time for dollars. So when I found out it's automated, I was like, what? What do you mean it's automated? Like, I don't got to talk to anybody. I don't have to hear the word no anymore. That was huge for me. That was huge for me. So do you see this? This is exactly what I did. These are the problems that I had, and these are the solutions that I was able to have. Now, here's the thing. Same with bothering friends and family, the automations, right? But then the marketing, I didn't know how to market. I didn't know how to build an email list. So just put marketing. I mean, I have many more than 6, but I'm just talking about 6. So marketing, and this is the discovery method. The blueprint. The fact that there was a paint by numbers, a step-by-step blueprint that I could follow, that I could learn to never have to bother friends and family because it was fully automated. I could learn how to make 100% profit. I could have a done-for-me website because there was no tech involved. I could learn how to make daily pay because we get 100% of the profits because the company makes their money from the website. And I could learn how to master a 2-hour workday. I was happy. I was like, let's go.